Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Boost Blade Mini, Smoke Mini here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying your knife inside. So this is it's gonna be a quick unboxing. You see that the box has some foam glued on the top, and you just have this cutout here in the blade. So very minimal, but nice. It's efficient, it's functional, it works and looks good. Inside you're gonna find this little fella right over here. This is the Boost Blades Smoke Mini. It's an interesting carbon fiber frame lock. One scale over here, titanium scale in the back. Is gonna run you around $240. It has a 20 CV blade with a nice it's a light stone wash finish, going on super thin stock, extremely cool slicer, 20 CV steel, 3.2 inch long blade with a 3.8 inch long handle and an overall length of around 7 inches. It's very, very thin, very light, very compact and nicely made, I have to say. The sound this guy makes, it's a little bit anonymous, let's say, not like distinctive, and I would say if you do like this is a front flipper, so if you use like your index finger, it's going to be a little bit snappier, the sound, than if you do the thumb. I don't know if you can appreciate, but it's just a little bit different, probably because of the strength that I'm applying with the thumb and with the index, so just a little bit different in the sound. And when you close it, it's just really almost inaudible, really muffled, really soft and gentle, very classy, I would say. It's a very cool one. The weight is incredible, guys. This is 1.4 ounces. It's feather. It's really, really light. Of course, you've got some carbon fiber scale, which has been like milled out to save furthermore like some weight, and then you've got a titanium slab on the lock side. You've got a titanium blue anodized backspacer, titanium clip, really, really cool matching hardware, captive pivot. I mean, it's a cool one. This guy runs on bearings. It's very, very small, and it's a sleek one. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.